Revalyu, one of the largest pet chemical recycling plant, is changing the way we recycle plastic. Hello everyone, I'm here in Dindori, Nashik at the grand launch of Revalyu's second plant. This plant will recycle over 35 million plastic bottles into high standard polymer chips and our pet chip.
Today is a big day for us as a company. We have now just launched our next plant. What we currently have is a 40-ton per day site that I'm sitting in here, and on my right-hand side, which you can't see, that's just out a shot of the plant, is effectively our new plant. And that new plant consists of 240 tons per day of recycling capacity, i.e. almost 30 million plastic bottles every single day, which will be recycled into extremely high quality pure polyester that can be used by our customers in any different range of products or applications that they require.
Our new expansion site here in Nashik recycles 120 tons of post-consumer bottles into 100% recycled rPET chips, which can be used by our customers to produce all kind of PET products like bottles, packaging or textiles. As our product is 100% recycled, it serves our customers in reaching their sustainability goals.
This site will produce 280 tons of chemical recycled polymer once we complete the commissioning of the entire plant, and we are really happy to welcome all our delegates here, and we are happy to announce to our customers that now one of the best chemical recycled product is available for them.